Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can elevate your photos using this Moonlight video effects on Wing. So here, you can just open the Wing app and then you can scroll down until you find the animate button. Animate tools in here. Now you can just select the photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this photos right here. Now you can see this is the moonlight effect. You can find it on trending or on the video tab. So let's try the moonlight one first. Wing will preparing the effects and your photos will turn into this videos right here. Or you can also use the moonlight too. So just choose which one that you like the most. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.